How to enable notification for Discover mobile banking. Are guys facing issues to turn on notification for Discover Bank? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open settings on your mobile device. Once you open the settings, you can see multiple options. Scroll down and click on notifications. After you click on notifications, search for Discover Bank. Click on it. After you click on it, you can see the option for allow notification. Click on allow. Once you click on allow, you'll get notifications from Discover Bank. And that's it, guys. That's how you're gonna turn on your notifications on Discover Bank. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.